Hello, my name is Eric Stromberg, and I wanted to present to you our new command and control system called Ship Control, developed exclusively for Prestige. This is really a system that allows you to have total control over all of the systems on board from either the navigation screens anywhere on the boat, or it can be outputted to a tablet or smartphone. As you can see, we have a representation of the boat here on the screen. We have very quick functions. We have all of the lighting functions, so inside and out. It can be turned on and off. And if you double click, you can create also the dimmer function right on the screen. We have control over the air conditioning system. We can turn it on to hot and cold, and you can even set the thermostats in each individual space on board. You have a small navigation screen, which is operational when you're underway. You have control over all of the music, the various inputs, both on the fly, inside of the saloon, and in the cockpit. You have all the battery level information, so whether that be for the bow thruster, for the domestic side, which includes the percentage of charge, the amperage usage, and the voltage, and even for all of the engine information as well. Of course, you have tanks, so we have water tanks, fuel tanks, and holding tanks. This is a particularly nice screen. Gives you all of the AC sources. So you can see here that the generator is on. We can turn on and off the inverter from here, and we can show different power sources going to domestic and air conditioning sides. We have control over all of the bilge pumps, which are all in auto mode here, but they can be turned into on, and any of these come on with their various sensors. It'll be indicated on the screen. We also have some engine information here when the engines are running in terms of RPMs and fuel level. What's also particularly nice is you have a very quick representation on the screen of what is going on the boat. I can show you here. You can open up a window here and to have each individual function. So I can turn on the underwater lights, for example. I can turn on the navigation lights. When I turn on the navigation lights, I move to a night mode. I can go in and control individual pumps. I can control individual fridges with upper and lower fridge. If you just hit the plus button, it gets you more on that. I can honk the horn from here. I can even run the windlass with a built-in chain counter. And you can see that now that I've moved to night mode that we have on the boat, you can see very clearly that the navigation lights are on and the underwater lights are on. So it gives you a very quick and easy view of the situation on the boat. I'm going to go back into day mode on that, but all of this has been developed so that it has the least amount of text possible, so it's very easy to use in a variety of languages. And it also comes with a particularly nice feature, which is a remote battery switch, which allows you to turn on the batteries as you arrive on board and turn them off as well. And as I said before, this can be all outputted via Wi-Fi to a tablet or a smartphone, which allows you to sit in the cabin and to control the boat, look at all of the systems on board, turn on the air conditioning, run the generator, turn up the music on the flybridge. So really everything at your fingertips on the boat. It's also important to say that this is something that is added on to the electrical system. You can still go and find the regular switches. You can still command all of these elements in other ways, but this just gives you a centralized graphic interface to the electrical system on board.